Hello friends, how's everybody? Uh, I want to share this very special experience that I've got today. All these whiles we've been looking for these beautiful rocks in the riverbed. See this river, and I just stopped by to keep these stones outside the river, and I came across this piece of beautiful rock. It is stuck inside. It is a very big piece, maybe around 2 feet. It's almost 2 feet, and I'll be requiring somebody's help to dig this one. So what I'm going to do is, I'm sure you won't be able to see what exactly the stone looks like, but once we start digging it and once we wash it, it is going to be massive and it is going to be superb. I think one of my biggest stones that I've ever collected till now. So I'll be getting some help for sure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some mark over here. Right now I have to go that side and the water level is increasing. So I'm going to mark this spot, get some help, and very soon I'll be getting this out. Very soon. I'll make a video for it. That's it guys. I'll soon share the video of it and just tell me how it is. I'm very curious and very excited to get this stone out. See you guys.